Hello everyone, this is Amit. Welcome to another tutorial about Notepad++ HTML. Today we are going to learn how you can preview HTML page right from the Notepad++. Now, if you're working on your HTML file, many times you make just some change and you will have to go to a web browser and you have to refresh the page just to see your changes. But Notepad++ allows you to actually preview right from the application itself. Now, we need to install a plugin called Preview HTML in order to do this. So let's see how we can install this plugin first. So in order to install Preview plus plugin, you need to go to Plugin menu, go to Plugin Admin, Plugins Admin, and you need to search for Preview HTML. And if you look here, it should pop up in your search. So I'm going to select that. It's called Preview HTML. If you would like to know the details about it, actually there's a page, there's a website. You can take a look at that. But we are going to select this plugin and click install. Now, once I click install, it'll ask you to restart Notepad++ once. So if you have any document that you're working on, make sure that you save it. Usually Notepad++ will not lose the changes that you have made, but it is better to be safe than sorry, right? So make sure you save all your documents in Notepad++, select Preview HTML and click install. And so it'll ask you whether you would like to restart Notepad++. So we will do that. And it'll take just a little bit of time to install that. Now, once the preview plugin has been installed, it will show up in your plugin menu. So if I go to plugins, now I can see that there is an option for preview HTML. All right, so let's actually open that. And depending upon how you have set it, it might open as a new, sorry about that, a new separate window actually. Now you can take this and attach it to either your right edge or a bottom edge, or however you would like to put that. It's okay if you would like to keep it separate also, but it might be easier to just attach it to either your right edge of Notepad++. So in order to do that, you need to select this and just drag it around your the right edge of Notepad++, and it should pick it up and it should be able to attach it. So right now it's not showing any document preview because we are not actually editing a HTML file. But I have a few examples here. So let's look at this very basic HTML code, right? It has just a title and it has just a 2-line in the HTML in the body section. And if you look at here, it already have created a preview for this HTML. And so you can see this is the title right here. If I make a change, let's say I'll make a change. And if I save it, I can refresh it, and now you can see that I just changed the title of my document. And any changes I make here will also appear. I save it and refresh it, and you can see that I just made that change. And so this is a pretty handy plugin. You don't need to switch between your web browser and Notepad++ to see a quick changes that you are making. Let me take a look at this another example. This is a little more advanced HTML code, but again it has the same option. It is able to show us the preview of our HTML page, and any changes that we make. and if I click refresh, I should be able to see the title being changed. And same thing applies for any other HTML tag or any changes I made in HTML. I wonder why this icon is not showing up. I think it's PNG actually. Save, refresh, and actually it's pretty big. But that's okay. That was the icon that I had right on the top. Maybe I need to resize that. But as you can see that if I have an image or even any links or a mailing or mail link, all of this would show up in a nice preview. And so by using this preview HTML plugin, you can check your changes right away, right from Notepad++. If you want to close it, you can close it right from here. If you would like to reopen it, you can either go here to plugins, preview plugins, and here, or actually there is a small toolbar icon that when we install this plugin it created, and it is right here, preview HTML. And so that is also a very quick way to just toggle on or off. So I can toggle on or just off the preview. And so that's about it for this video. We just learned how we can easily preview HTML changes right from Notepad++ using Preview HTML plugin. If you guys made it to this far, I hope you like this video. And if you would like to subscribe to my channel, please do so. And if you have any question, please add that in a comment section. All right. Thank you very much. Bye.